Look at this. This entire setup fits in one hand. But the real question is, can this actually replace a full vlogging camera in 2026? Because if it can, this might be the best lightweight setup for creators right now. So, what we have here is the DJI Action 4 paired with the DJI Mic. Super small, super portable, but don't underestimate this setup. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. This is the DJI Action 4, an ultra-wide 155-degree field of view, perfect for vlogging. It has really good low light for action camera, which is something I didn't expect before. And for audio, I'm using the DJI Mic with the deadcat, so even outdoor, you get a clean sound. Plus, everything is mounted on a small Ulanzi grip, which makes it super easy for handheld shooting. Again, in 2026, I think this is still a good combination. So I don't think I will update or I will upgrade my camera Action to Action 6. So I think the Action 4 is enough for me for my vlog. I'm using it with the D-Log settings and 4K 24p. So again, this is the sound quality and also the video quality of the DJI Action 4 in 2026. So, and for vlog, I think this is a good combination. I think you can get for a cheaper price. So yeah, again, this is the quality of the DJI Action 4 for video, and your audio came from a DJI mic. So the first DJI mic. Actually, this is the DJI mic from Osmo Pocket 3 combo. So this is the mic, original mic from the Osmo Pocket 3, and I paired to the DJI Action 4. So that's the good thing if you have a DJI device. So and you can use the mic to the camera, and even I think I can pair this with the DJI Action 5. I'm not sure in the 6, but we will try to combine. But again, this is the sound quality and the video quality D-Log of the DJI Action 4. So guys, for the talking vlog and walking, again, this is the quality of the Action 4 2026 compared with the Action 5 and 6. I think for me, still the Action 4 is the best, one of the best gear you can buy. Especially if you are a beginner in vlogging, if you want to upgrade from mobile to action camera, still a good choice, the Action 4. So yeah, this is the sound quality and the video quality D-Log from the DJI Action 4. Yeah. And again guys, I will not edit my audio. So what you hear is direct from the DJI mic, and again I will not do any adjustment. So what you hear is the sound direct from the microphone. Now here's the thing, I've been testing this setup for actual vlogging, and honestly, it's crazy how convenient this is. No heavy camera, no big lens, no complicated setup. Just turn it on and shoot. This is the kind of setup you bring everywhere, from travel, street, even quick reels. But let's be real, this is not a perfect. You don't get a blurry background like a mirrorless camera, still limited compared for a full frame in image quality. But for 90% of content, especially YouTube and Reels, this is more than enough. So guys, again we are testing this DJI Action 4 with a DJI Mic, the first version DJI Mic, and we are shooting indoor with the D-Log setup or settings in our camera, 4K 24p. Yeah, 4K 24p with the microphone. So again, this is the sound quality and video quality of the DJI Action 4 indoor. So we're inside, we test already from outside, and again, this is the sound quality and video quality of the DJI Action 4, and we will test also the slow motion, the time lapse of this camera. In 2026, content is not about having the biggest camera anymore. It's about speed, convenience, and consistency. And this setup, you're most likely to shoot instead of overthinking. That's the biggest advantage. So, can this replace a full vlog camera? Honestly, for a lot of creators, yes. This might be one of the smartest setups you can use right now. So guys, again, if you want to see more real-world gear tests for camera, lenses, or anything regarding photography, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So again, I'll see you in the next one.